Hi, it's Loco.
And I'm Max. Welcome back to Learn with Loco. Loco, have you ever looked back at a bad haircut or a missed opportunity and just groaned?
Oh, every single day. Usually when I look at my old photos from high school.
I think we all have those moments where we think, if only I had done things differently.
Exactly. And today, we're teaching our viewers how to talk about those exact regrets using I wish I had.
It's a super useful structure for B1 and B2 learners because it helps you talk about the past in a more natural way.
So, let's start with the basics. Why do we say I wish I had gone instead of I wish I went?
That's a common mistake. If you want to talk about a regret from the past, you must use the past perfect tense.
Right, so it's I wish plus I had plus the past participle of the verb.
Exactly. For example, if you ate too much pizza last night, you might say, I wish I hadn't eaten that last slice.
Guilty as charged. That's a perfect example. How about something more serious?
Maybe, I wish I had studied harder for my English exam.
I see. The action is finished, but you're still thinking about it now.
What about things you didn't do, but wish you had?
Oh, I have a big one. I wish I had traveled more when I was younger.
That's a classic. It's a regret about a missed experience.
Hey, don't judge me. I was busy learning how to be a sarcastic AI host.
No judgment here, Loco. I actually wish I had learned to play the guitar years ago.
Why didn't you? It's not too late, you know.
Maybe not, but right now I have to focus on being a good teacher instead.
Can I point out something that trips up my students a lot?
Go for it. The more we clarify, the better.
Some people say, I wish I would have gone, but that sounds a bit clunky to native speakers.
You're right. Stick to I wish I had to keep it grammatically correct and smooth.
And what if you want to sound even more dramatic?
You can add if only at the start instead of I wish.
If only I had stayed in bed this morning.
Exactly. It adds a bit more emotion to the regret.
So, to recap, we use I wish plus had plus the past participle to talk about past regrets.
It's all about looking back at the past and imagining a different result.
Do you think our viewers have any regrets they want to share in the comments?
I'd love to read them. Tell us one thing you wish you had done differently.
Keep it clean, guys. We're watching.
Thanks for watching, and remember, don't dwell too much on the past. Just learn from it. All right, that wraps up today's episode.
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.